Hello all, just doing a real quick video on the 10-inch coffee decanter cleaning brush. Here it is right here. And the reason why I did this particular video is I wanted to be able to show you that not only can you be able to use this just for coffee, but there are other uses that you can be able to do. Now in this bowl I have some water and soap. That's it, no chemicals or anything like that, just warm water and soap. And I wanted to be able to show you that this mason jar right here, a lot of times it has areas that you can't put your hand all the way through it. This one in particular is a wide mouth, so I could actually put my hand in it. Or, oh no, it's not. I thought it was. No, this is just a regular mouth. Sometimes, it's hard. Your hands aren't small enough to get your hands all the way in there. But with this brush, it works really, really nicely, like you can be able to see. You're able to get all the way around the edges. So you can't stick your hands all the way in there and, clean it out like you want to, but with this brush you really can, which is really great. And then for this one's a pint and a half. I wanted to be able to show you that you can be able to use it for basically all the mason jars. You can be able to move the bristles and get it just the way you want. You see I was trying to put my hand in there just to show you an example of me trying to put my hands in there. And then this one's the pint. I can go ahead and get the edges perfectly. And then you can adjust the brush and you can be able to form fit it to whatever it is that you're basically cleaning. So you see how I did it just a little bit more so I get more of the edges. I moved it around. But when you're done with that, you can be able to easily, not just for the mason jars, but you can go back to, adjusting it back for coffee. Thanks for watching.